Lemon can make a great difference in knacking. If you want to make pickles bring out plenty juice and make the bola very strong, this is what you need to do in your kitchen. You need to slice your lemon, put your sliced lemon inside. Then you pour water inside. It goes like if you want to make pickles bring out plenty juice, that's what you need to do. You just let it stay inside for a while, at least 30 minutes, then you drink. Lemon is rich in nitric oxide. It aids proper blood flow in the body. It's very, very rich for you to use for knacking. So that is why I start my day with lemon and water. If you want to perform better, you need to change your diet. You need to start eating knacking diet that can make your bola strong. Kakaraka, I mean food. Instead of eating food that will not make your bola perform well, you need to eat the food that is strictly created for knacking. Click the link in my bio and get my knacking recipes, natural recipes to make your bola strong. This is just a drink, but what about the food? Click the link in my bio to get the food right now.